Okay, there's my mug press. And I don't even know where the mugs are, but oh, there. They're in the back there. They're around here. And I have a 6-pack under the table down there of 11 ounce. But I tried tumblers. I wanted to try tumblers. So, what you see on this one is a series of trial and error. So, I know it's hard to see underneath there, but there's actually some words that I had put on there first and then used my, oh, sorry, the mini easy press, thinking because it's just this big. And I wanted to test my theory to see if this mug, which I got from 143 Vinyl, was what I thought was a legitimate blank, sublimation blank, when I ordered it. So I didn't think it worked. And then I took the, you know, infusible ink thing off of it and found there was actual letters there. And I went, wait a minute. So this is a sublimation blank. So then I took what I had already printed out. Again, just since I already screwed up this mug, I thought, well, why not? Okay. So now we put this on, and then I decided to use the bigger easy press and just keep, moving it because it only can hit the surface so much. So you can see where it was missed actually when I turned it, and I thought it was slow enough and all that. So there's that. And then this bee that I had an infusible ink just lying around, intended for something else, I decided to put on here and yet try another idea, which is my heat gun from Amazon that I had bought to do wood burning and Mr. Crafty Pants, which I thought was a whole different thing, and I thought it was gonna, burn into the wood, and it really doesn't. It's more topical. So this is where my trial and error now, trying different things out, comes down to this is too big. This tumbler is too wide to put upside down and try to do because the diameter is too big. So if you have a tumbler that's sublimation, it can be for a skinny even. And obviously there's some taller ones. This is a 30-ounce tumbler. But now what I'm going to do is use my heat gun and get this to recreate basically on here. So now I have the words, the T is calling and I must go. That's what it says on there. And I use the offset method. And then the word ginger, the name, is also on here. And that's a different infusible ink pattern. So there's 2 different patterns on here. And now I'm going to use, for one method, I'm just going to use the heat gun. So we're going to see how that goes. And I'm not holding it too closely because I don't want to burn or melt. I'm afraid I was going to melt this paper, which I shouldn't because it can go in a heat press, infusible ink. But basically, I shouldn't have started in the center. Hang on. Here we go. So we're going to try holding the gun and see. Where's it at? There it is. A good distance away, not right on top of it. I'm just going to go and keep moving. I'm going to pause this and I'm going to come back. And now we're going to let it cool down because we have to. And I would imagine going all the way around, I probably spent 5 minutes, no more than 5 minutes, heating the whole way around because you can't get too close. As you see, this curled a little bit, but that's from wind and heat. You get a slight breeze, if you will.